Alright, this is the one-shot attempt for a ball pool, which I used 4o, and that was the prompt here. I can't say I like the editor, I don't. And then I took that and I put all of that on O3 mini high. And that was my prompt for O3. It did a lot of thinking and took a long time to do all that thinking. And then it gave me all the code. Then there was random import error and end of statement expected, so the game really wouldn't run. I fixed it. So I fixed it, and then the ball wasn't pointing the direction that it's supposed to be as far as the rack. It's pointing short ways instead of the way it should be pointing. And so that fixed it basically. And it gave me the code again. And then it was flipped 90 degrees. And then I needed some kind of Powerball strength thing so I could understand what the Q strength was. Even though I still can't. It only does it on like the first shot. And then I wanted the cue ball back after I hit it in. And I wanted a tangent line, but I didn't keep that. It got too messy. So I went and put the updated code from DeepSeek R1 for the power management and cue ball return constraints. Well, actually, it was just the physics of all of the stuff that was happening on the table. And then it analyzed all that. And then gave me the code back. And then I wanted a tangent line off of it. And then it messed up the rack, not pointing in the right direction again. But it pointed it towards the back of the table. And so I made it flip it again. And then the cue ball was going through all the object balls and nothing was happening. That seems to be a big problem in all games. So it just gave me the updated code for that exact space. And I was like, nah, that's not gonna work. So I told it to fix all of those problems. And then I added something else for it to do. And told it to provide the full code, so it does. Should have left the side menu for where the balls were pocketed in. Actually, I should have left it off. It was just too big. It took up like a third of the table. I couldn't see anything, so I took it off. And then we get our 323 lines. And it looks very rudimentary, but it still has a power line, and the stripes look like a kid made them. And they're not racked like I told them to rack it. And the physics aren't exactly right yet. And I made the white ball. See if I can do that again. Oop. Alright. I may make the line extend the entirety of the table. Just so I can see where I'm supposed to be shooting it. Hey, I made one. If I miss this, I swear. Hey, I made the 8 ball. But it doesn't in the game. Because I didn't tell it to. Yeah, that's not how that's supposed to work. How'd you go way up there? Yeah, it did bounce out right at that time. Come on. This is more frustrating. Well, not. I wouldn't say it's frustrating. A little annoying, but I get the white ball back indefinitely, so I basically can't lose. I need finer controls, is what it is. So the cue ball respawns. Hey, I made another. Hey, I made the white ball. So, how you were going? Go ahead and finish that. I wonder if I could just click to where the ball's supposed to be hit to. When it's a straight shot. Go here. Nope, not quite. Some of the physics are quite surprising. Where it does get stuff right. That was the difficult part. I swear. I made it into the hole. That's great. Hey, Banks. Didn't see that one coming. Nope. I need to aim one off the ball. I tried that one, but it was not working. It was like flat against the ball. There we are. Jeez. There. Nice little bank on the end. And it doesn't end the game. Well, anyway, I'll put the code like I always do in the description.